Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. So today we will present about, our group will present about Fedora Linux. So first of all, um, next slide. First of all, we will look at what is Fedora Linux. So some of you might have heard of this Fedora Linux, but some of you might not know what is Fedora Linux. So Fedora Linux is a free and open source operating system developed by the Fedora project and sponsored by Red Hat. Fedora serves as a testing ground for features that later appear in Red Hat Enterprise Linux (RHEL). It is widely used by developers, system administrators, and Linux enthusiasts for its stability, security, and modern features. The primary goal of Fedora is to provide a secure, reliable, and innovative Linux experience for everyone. So now let's take a look at some key milestones in Fedora's history and how it has evolved over the years.
Okay, so hey everyone, let's take a look at the history of Fedora Linux. So back in 2003, there was this other Linux thing called Red Hat Linux. So when that shifted focus, the community stepped up and created Fedora Core 1. So think of it as the original, the grassroots version of what we know today. Then a few years later, in 2007, the people at Fedora, they decided to make things a bit cleaner. They had two main parts, which was the core and extras. And they just combined them into one, which led to the emergence of Fedora 7, which made a lot more sense for everyone. Then in 2011, Fedora gave the user interface a big update by making GNOME 3 the standard desktop. It was a pretty noticeable change in how things looked and felt. And in around 2014, Fedora started offering different versions tailored for different needs. So you had the workstation for your regular computer stuff, you had the server for running bigger systems, and cloud for online work. It was about giving people the right tool for the right job. And in 2015, they made some improvements. So behind the scenes, by switching the software installer from yum package manager with the DNF, which basically made installing and updating programs much more faster and smoother. So let's look at 2020, more recently. Around the Fedora Silverblue gained popularity. It's a bit of a special version that's designed to be really stable and hard to break, which is pretty cool. And for today, Fedora is still a big player in pushing new ideas in the Linux world. They're always trying out the latest technologies, which makes it an interesting option for people who likes to be on the cutting edge. So that's a quick rundown of how Fedora has evolved.
This is the Fedora Linux release timeline. So up until today, if you look here, we have until Fedora 41, 2025.
So next we move on to the features. So features number one is freedom. So open source, no restrictive licenses, and lots of program choices. So this will foster collaboration and innovation, will resulting in vast selection of programs to choose from. So number two is reliability. Built on Linux, automatic updates available. So automatic updates are seamlessly delivered, keeping the system secure and up to date with the latest features and bug fixes. So features number three is security. Advanced security features, strong firewall, quick fixes, and ongoing support. So quick security patches and ongoing community support will ensure a secure computing environment. Feature number four is business. So many business and office programs included. So this will enhances productivity. The last is entertainment. So wide variety in game and fun programs. This makes the option versatile for both work and leisure. And last but not least is of user-friendly desktop help is available. So comprehensive help resources and supportive community are readily available to assist with.
So for your information, Fedora Linux have a few additions. For instance, Fedora Workstation. Fedora Workstation is designed for personal and professional use on desktop or laptop that can offer general purpose of software tools. The benefits of Fedora Workstation is it is reliable because upgrades can be made easily. It also free as the user do not have to purchase premium access because it is open source software. It also provides beautiful interface in order to improve user experience. Fedora Workstation also come with leading technology in order to simplify general tasks. The features of Fedora Workstation is it offers fantastic apps that can solve everyday tasks. It also comes with multiple language that make it easy for global users. It also provides integration account like calendar and contacts with online account. Next. The second edition of Fedora Linux is Fedora IoT. For your information, IoT or IoT stand for Internet of Things. Fedora IoT is tailored for IoT device. It is ideal for low resource hardware and provide tools for updating and managing IoT system. The advantage of this edition is it comes with modern technology. The tools provided in this edition is completely free and users do not have to spend to get particular features. It also provides a support that can optimize for workloads outside traditional data center. The features of IoT edition is it can improve security confidence. Users don't have to worry about security because it provides secure boot that can protect the system against vulnerability or malicious code. It also suitable for decentralized computing. For your information, decentralized computing is a system that do not have the authority that control the system. This system normally used in cryptography. Besides, it also provides tools for device management. Next slide. The third edition of the Fedora Linux is Fedora Server. Fedora Server is designed to simplify configuration and management of the system. The benefit of using Fedora Server is it can simplify the work of system admin as it provides latest system admin tools. The security of Fedora Server is on another level because it offers security without extensive configuration. The disruption also can be minimal because update can be made easily without need to reinstall the server. The features of the Fedora server is it provides stable ecosystem, provides server administration tools, and deploy the server quickly as well as the tool to ease the workload. So I pass to Daniel.
We have Fedora KDE Plasma. This is a powerful Fedora-based operating system that utilizing the KDE Plasma desktop as the main user interface. Fedora KDE Plasma desktop comes with many pre-selected top-quality applications that suit all modern desktop use cases. So what makes it special? It has cutting-edge software where Fedora ships with the latest KDE Plasma updates, keeping your systems up to date with the new features. Their performance and lightweight is optimized for speed and responsiveness. Also, their customizations offers deep timing, widgets, and UI tweaks to match your workflow. For their key features, including a user-friendly software center for easy app installations. It has Plasma activities where there are workspaces for different tasks or environments. There are global menu and HUD for better accessibility that's similar to macOS. Next, let's talk about Fedora Cloud. These editions built for cloud-based infrastructures, allowing users to deploy Fedora in private and public cloud environments. Fedora Clouds provides few different images of Fedora projects, which can be consumed in private and public cloud infrastructures. I just mentioned that. Never mind. Let's continue. So it contains the different kinds of images available for the users. For instance, cloud-based, atomic image, regular image, and lastly, local image. Their key advantages is customizable. Fedora Cloud allows you to tailor your environment to your needs. It also provides community drivers. There's a large pool of knowledge and expertise available for you to apply in these cloud systems. For their notable features, they are up to date. Fedora Cloud is regularly updates and ensure the latest software and security patches. And of course, they are security focused. It built with security features like SE Linux to keep cloud environment safe. Finally, we have Fedora Core OS. It is an automatically updating, minimal, monolithic, container-focused operating system designed for cluster but also operable standalone, optimized for Kubernetes but also great without it. It is also its goal is to provide the best container host to run containerized workloads securely and at scale. So Fedora Core OS stands out because of their flexible installations. It supports multiple deployment methods, and also it supports container-based. It's where it's specifically optimized for containerized applications. And its top features includes minimalism. Fedora Core OS is designed to be lightweight. And lastly, it is open source ecosystem. It is fully supported by the Fedora community, ensuring its reliability and transparency. So I hope let's cater all of the editions, all the 6 editions of the Fedora Linux.
For the advantage of Fedora Linux. So for the first one is a free and open source. So one of the Fedora's biggest strengths is that it's completely free and open source. This means anyone can use, modify, and share it. Plus, it's backed by Red Hat, a major player in the Linux world, ensure continuous innovation and support. For the secondly is a fast release cycle. So Fedora release new update every 6 months. That means users always have access to the latest feature, security, update, and software improvement. Unlike other systems with slower update cycle, Fedora ensure you are always using cutting-edge technology. So the thirdly is the stable and reliable. So for the stability is crucial for any operating system, and Fedora deliver. It undergoes rigorous testing before its release, ensure smooth and dependable performance. That's why professional and developer trust Fedora for their works. For next, I'll pass to the Haikal.
Okay, next, Fedora Linux have a wide range of software Fedora comes with a vast selection of software, including a web browser, Office suite, media player, and powerful development tools. Whether you are a casual user or a developer, Fedora provides everything you need right out of the box. And last but not least, Fedora have a security and privacy. Security is a major concern in today's digital world, and Fedora takes it seriously. It includes features like SE Linux, which means security enhanced Linux, which enforce strict access control and prevent potential threats. This makes Fedora a secure choice for both personal and professional use. In conclusion, Fedora offers many advantages, including being free and open source, having a fast release cycle, strong stability, a wide range of software, and excellent security features. And if you are looking for a reliable Linux distribution, Fedora is definitely worth considering. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.